Good day everyone, I hope you are fine today. We are now going to discuss about circle. Circle. It may be considered as a special kind of ellipse. In this figure, on the right, let C be a given point. The set of all points P having the same distance from C is called a circle. The point C is called the center of the circle, and the common distance is called the radius. In this figure, it has a center CHK and radius, which is R, is greater than 0. A point PXY is on the circle if and only if PC is equal to R. For any such point then, its coordinates should satisfy the following. PC is equal to R. Square root of the binomial x minus h squared plus the binomial y minus k squared is equal to R. If we square both sides, so we'll have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to R squared. This is the standard equation of the circle with CHK. If the center is the origin, then h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. The standard equation is then x squared plus y squared is equal to R squared. Examples. Give the standard equation of the circle satisfying the given conditions. Number 1. Center at the origin, radius 4. Number 2. Center, negative 4, 3, radius, square root of 7. Number 3. Center, 5, negative 6, tangent to the y-axis. Center, negative 5, negative 6, tangent to the x-axis. Number 5. It has diameter with endpoints A, negative 1, 4, and B, 4, 2. Let's have number 1. Center at the origin, radius 4. As you have noticed, on the origin, the formula for the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to R squared. So, in here, the standard equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Now, here is the graph of the circle. Number 2. Center, negative 4, 3. Radius, square root of 7. It follows now the pattern, the binomial x minus h squared plus the binomial y minus k squared is equal to R squared. So we all know that the center is at hk, which is negative 4, 3. So we just substitute the h and k on the equation. So that becomes x minus negative 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to the square root of 7. So that becomes the binomial x plus 4 squared plus the binomial y minus 3 squared is equal to 7. Now, here is the graph. Now, our next one is number 3. Center, 5, negative 6, tangent to the y-axis. The center is 5 units away from the y-axis. So the radius is r is equal to 5. The equation is the square of the binomial x minus 5 plus the square of the binomial y plus 6 is equal to 25. Now here is the graph. So looking at the graph, it is tangent to the y-axis. Number 4.
Center, -5, -6.
Tangent to the x-axis. The center is 6 units away from the x-axis. The equation is
the square of the binomial x plus 5
plus the square of the binomial y plus 6 is equal to 36. Now here is the graph with the center at -5, -6. Number 5. It has a diameter with endpoints A, -1, 4, and B, 4, 2. The center C is the midpoint of A and B. So C is equal to -1 plus 4 over 2, 4 plus 2 over 2, which is equal to 3/2, 3. Then the radius is then R is equal to AC, which is equal to the square root of -1 minus 3/2 squared plus 4 minus 3 squared is equal to the square root of 29 over 4. Then the circle has the equation x minus 3/2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 29 over 4. Now here are the references. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Subscribe for more content.